सो आई हैव बीन गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन आफ्टर बजट कि मैम कौन सा ऐसा सेक्टर है जहाँ पे दे कैन गेट 10x रिटर्न. So for 10x return, we'll have to look at the fund allocation which is done by the government in the recent budget. So if you look at the fund allocation में जो maximum fund allocation है that is towards the infrastructure. Now infrastructure के अंदर भी maximum जो fund allocation है that is towards the energy sector. So after energy, the one sector that you can consider buying is reality sector. So if you might have seen on the budget day itself, reality stocks just crashed. Now why did they crash? They crashed because of the announcement of indexation कि indexation के benefits नहीं मिलेंगे in the reality sector. But reality sector उसके बाद से बढ़ रहा है because reality sector does not work on part A, it also work on part B that is done in the payment part. So after that the stock has been rising. Plus apart from that काफ़ी बड़े बड़े investors started putting their money towards this particular sector. So इसके there are different stocks that you can consider buying. For example, Oberoi's, Shobha, Hudco, NBCC, all these are housing sectors वाले stock. Apart from that जो complementary reality sector के stocks हैं that you can consider buying is cement and steel. Apart from that आप खुद की